Consider the numbers 1.2 and 0.89. Use base 10 blocks to represent each number and to show that 1.2 is bigger than 0.89. Okay, so if I'm going to use base 10 blocks, I think I'm going to let a flat equal 1. And remember, a flat is like, it's made up of 100 little cubes, um, and it's made up of 10 longs. Okay, so 1.2 is going to be one flat. I'm not drawing this perfectly. I'm just trying to remind you that there's 100 little cubes in there. Okay, and then 2/10 is going to be two longs, and each of those longs is made up of 10 little cubes. So that's 1.2. And 0.89, that is going to be eight longs, because it's 8/10, no holes. By holes, I mean WHOLES, no ones. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. And each of those is made up of 10 sorts. So that's 8/10, and then 9 hundredths. My hundredths are made up of the shorts. Three, six, nine. So that's 0.89. And then to compare, to show that 1.2 is bigger than 0.89, we should compare like units. So I could break this down into how many shorts for all of them. So this is 120 little cubes, right? Because there's 100 little cubes in a flat and there's 10 in each long. So this is 120 of these little cubes. And then 0.89, if I count up how many small cubes there are, this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 9. So this is 89 little cubes. So 120 little cubes is bigger than 89 little cubes. So 1.2 is bigger than 0.89 because 120 is bigger than 89. Okay, B, use a number line to show that negative 1.2 is less than negative 0.89. So I already know that 1.2 is bigger than 0.89. We just did that in the first part. Okay, so let's put those on. So here's 0. Then I have 0.89 and 1.2. This is not drawn to scale. I'm just drawing the correct order. 1.2 is bigger than 0.89, so I drew it to the right, but not to scale. And now I can put the negatives on by reflecting over 0, opposite direction. So this one would be negative 0.89. And then over here would be negative 1.2. And we can see that negative 0.89 is to the right of negative 1.2 on the number line, so it is bigger.